Alright, here's my turkey smoking instructional. I was digging through the freezer. Found last year's turkey, wild turkey. Soaked it in salt water overnight. That helps pull out all the blood and stuff out of the breast. It also puts water into the breast to make it more moist. I recommend doing that probably a good overnight, at least 10 hours if you're gonna do it same day. We're gonna coat this thing with mustard first. Then gonna put a little of this smokehouse maple seasoning on it. And what the mustard does, it allows that to stick. So yeah, let's get a better crusty outer coating. Just go a layer in here on a rack. Spread it out a little bit. That piece, that's not really that good. Put a little more seasoning on it. Shut the smoke box up. Let her go. We're gonna have about a 200-degree temperature. I say probably 4 or 5 hours to do it. Finish it off in the oven. Bring you back, show you what it looks like. I'm sure it'll be good. Thanks for watching.